Hi, I'm Terry Wise, Vice President of Global Channels and Alliances for AWS. From a partner perspective, one of the biggest investments we're making is in that prescriptive guidance, whether it's around, making it easy to test and validate IoT devices so that customers and partners can find those easily, but it's very prescriptive guidance for ISVs who want to deploy SaaS applications on AWS. There's a whole bunch of architectural best practices that we're packaging and delivering around containerization and different container use cases, whether it's native services or via partners like VMware or Cisco or Red Hat. So there's all kinds of things we're doing to make it a lot easier for our customers and partners to innovate faster with prescriptive guidance. Data is really the foundation of innovation. If customers and partners want to innovate for themselves or on behalf of their customers, they have to capture, extract, move, refine, and analyze data at greater scale, much faster, much easier, and have to do it cost effectively. Not taking training and enablement seriously enough, so they're not getting enough folks trained at a very deep level. Customers are now demanding that our partners have a strong stable of professionally certified architects. It's almost table stakes, whereas 2 or 3 years ago it was more associate level architects. So they're looking for deeper skilled resources from the partners that they're engaging in their most strategic projects. And it's really, really difficult to be a professionally certified architect in more than one platform. So one of the mistakes we do see is when partners hedge their bets across multiple different opportunities, they tend to be less deep than what our customers are looking for. So I think that would be one. My second mistake I think that partners make is they're not listening to customers. They may think that they have built a product or an offering and they're going to go sell that to the customer without actually listening to what the customer's business need is.